Monsters with ABC Monsters. What color is the lollipop? This one? This one? No. This one? That's correct. Red. What color is the jelly bean? This one? This one? I don't think so. This one? Yay! Purple! What color are these candies? This one? No. This one? This one? Yay! Blue! What color is the chocolate? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? That's not right either. This one. Yes! Brown! What color is the gummy bear? Is it this one? Is it this one? No. It's gotta be this one. That's correct. Green! Bye-bye!